Shirako, what are you doing? He's hunting lizards.
Right?
The lizard hunter. He says, I am the lizard king. I can do anything.
You can kill it. Yeah, we're gonna give it a shot. Try it out. You know, might as well enjoy this ridiculous view. Look at that. And from a dang cell phone, this does not look horrible. All right, Mercury 4 horsepower, I'm rooting for you. You want to go on a boat?
You want to go on a boat? Okay.
You got to put the jacket on.
You got to put on your jackets.
Yeah? Okay, let's do it. Get Alyssa. Rocco.
Come here, Wada. If you want to go on a boat, you got to put on your jacket.
You got to put the jacket on if you want to get on a boat.
Stay.
They're so intelligent. We got to remind them, you know, there's rules. She's a good girl. Weta, 16 years old.
Rocco.
Ex-medical dog. We used to have her run around in a hospital and get people to smile and feel better. But she could also bring you pill bottles. You just told her what color. Come on, Weta, let's go outside. Weta, Weta. Afuera, Weta. Come on. Such a doll. You ready, Rocco? You ready to get in a boat? Ready to go bye-bye in the boat? Got your jacket?
¿Tiene agua?
That looks like a good jacket, Rocco. Let's go get on the boat. Yeah. Tap, 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 tap. Come on, son. I gotta try, right? I'm exhausted, guys. I've been working my own personal thing. We have a company that we do research and development. And I'll tell you, we have been researching and developing. I'm worn out. And then this motor was an extra benefit. Just wanted us to go for a quick ride out in the park. And now we got a motor. It's a short shaft. We're going to try it out. I'm excited. All right, kitten. Come here, son. Ready? And jump. Gotcha, jump. Woo, big dog. Wait up. Come on, Mama Bear. Come on, silly goober girl. What a wonderful little girl. Come on, honey. Ready to get on the boat? Let's go, Weta Bear.
This is for the puppy dogs.
Puppy dogs. Come on, Weta. My prettiest little girl. Ready? Jump. All right, I got you. All right. She doesn't have a collar on the back for me to pull. But we got her. Okay. All right, let's start her up. Before we go. Pull the what you call it. Do the who's a what's a. Oh, you heard that. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, honey. Oh, honey, I'm so happy. I don't know how much gas I put in this, but enough to fart around out here, I'm sure. Shove off. Put it in reverse. Oh, we're going in reverse. Rule number 1, always verify. I hear all kinds of stories about losing the outboard. I haven't been in the boat world that long, but I have been in the boat world long enough to not lose my outboard. That's pretty good. Look at that, honey. We're in frickin' reverse. Woo! Did you already adjust the trolling motor? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna throw it in neutral and drive. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh man, this is so much better than a tall shaft. It doesn't try to dive, it just wants to go forward. Yeah, and because of that higher adjustment, I was able to get a better angle on the outboard. Man, this runs decent. Oh, fuel. Fuel is off. Fuel is on. Woo. It's heavier than the 3.5. There's more weight up here. Stick the outboard out, the troller out further. There you go. We need some ballast jar. Brought the rear out. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, that looks great. Well, we're rising. Got it floored. I don't hear the RPMs that I feel like I'm supposed to, but I've never owned this type of outboard. We're not planing, but we sure are getting close. Maybe I have the outboard out too far. Oh, look at that. It's starting to want to. I feel like we're going a little bit faster. It's pretty obvious. Letter Bear's happy to steal someone's seat. I'm gonna have to deal with that. That's not awesome. It's still alive. Yeah, this is idle. This is fantastic. I'm super proud of that engine. It's only been, you know, like what, a couple of minutes, but I'm gonna adjust the height. We're going faster than we ever had. Look at that. Look at that. Looking right at you. Yeah, man. There you go. He's leaning. He looks scared. It's only 4 horsepower, son. I feel like I'm not getting enough RPMs, but we'll figure that out. I brought the angle up. Seems to work better. Yeah, man. A lot better. If I ever get that damn 6 horsepower in, I bet it'll be great. Doing a great job. angles. Make sure this hat doesn't fall off. Put a latch on it. And a video, but I still want to put a screen on it just in case. And I think it's ready to go. Yes. Luckily, we have plenty of voltage. So you can just do that and I can steer with this. You're good to go, hon. I'll steer us home. She mad. She mad. She like, I lost my food. You can do that shit. I'll let go right now.
Okay.
You're lining up yourself. Already is an all
No, she's a pain in the ass. Good enough. Pull the button on.
lining up yourself. And don't say no. You're lining up yourself. I said so.
Is it tighten? You make sure it's all tightened against the trommel?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, you want to just pop back? You want to come see what Lisa? Oh, good girl.
It was a good half tank of gas. It lasted at least 20 minutes. Eats a lot more gas, but I mean, we went faster.
It's a lot quieter to drive home.
She says it. Oh, yeah.
Can't do,
It's so quiet.
can't do, there's nothing you can't do, there's nothing you can't do.
That concludes the outboard story.
Can't do,
On to the
can't
soul
do,
motor story.
can't do,
Right.
there's nothing you can't do.
I think I will sell my 3.5 after I drive this for at least a week. I'll play with it for at least 5 days before I sell my favorite beloved 3.5 plus Tahatsu. That little sucker, it runs like a blender, man. Wheat! This thing runs like a lawnmower. Brrr, yeah.
What you bought?
It's Rocco farted. He's extremely intelligent and he knows when I'm making fun of him. These guys are having a good time. Man, this trolling motor hauls butt. Look at that little fella. Hey, Weta Bear. Come on, honey. All right, we'll take it for a night cruise. See how she does. It's getting dark right now. Tide's really high. I usually measure it by how much propeller that guy has in the water. If he has any propeller at all, I consider that a high tide. Weta Bear, come on, Mama, let's go. Daddy's going up. Let's go.
Gotta wait for her daddy.
Just gotta wait for her daddy. Come on, honey bear. Oh. LED start on yet. Did you have a good time, Rocco? Was it fun?
Let's get you out of that jacket.
Come on, baby bear. She said, I don't like this jacket. I don't like this jacket. I don't like this jacket. But you look beautiful in it. It's built for swimming, not running.